This is the Teacher's App dashboard. On the My Classroom tab, you have this interface with different functionalities. First is the Register Student button, which you engage to register students in your classroom. We shall go into details of registering a student in a later video. Next is the Add Classroom button. This is where teachers can add subjects to their classroom. We can see the subjects added to this class using this feature. This process is demonstrated in another video. A list of all the students in a classroom with some basic details is also found here. Just below this list is the attendance for the day. There is also a Register Student button at the top right corner of the dashboard. A notification button keeps the teacher informed on relevant information and actions within the app. The Results tab. This is where teachers can generate and view results. Depending on the action you wish to carry out, switch between Generate Results and View Results. To generate a result, switch to Generate Result and select the student whom you wish to generate a result for. When you select the student, the result generator comes up with different result templates to choose from. This process is demonstrated in a dedicated video. To view results, switch to View Results and click on the result you wish to view. This action brings out the result for you to view, print, or download. Next is the Attendance tab. Here, teachers can take daily attendance of the students in their classroom. The tick button is for present, while the X is for absent. After marking the attendance for the students, click on the Save button to save the attendance. The Inbox tab. This where teachers communicate with parents and their school admins, if the teacher's account is set to public. The inbox is where you'll find received messages. Messages you send out will be in the Sent tab, and if you have unsent messages, they will be housed in drafts. Click on Compose Message to create a new message you wish to send out. When the dialog box pops up, fill it out accordingly with the recipient, a subject, and the main message you wish to send out. Click on Save as Draft to save the message, or Send Message to send it out immediately. When you click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the dashboard, you will see details of your account. The date your account was created and your school. Depending on your school admin's discretion, your account could be set to public or private. A public account can communicate with parents directly from the app and with the school admin. A private account cannot communicate with parents and can only reply to messages sent from the school admin. You can also contact Greynote support from here and also log out of your account. That is an overview of the interface. Subsequent videos will demonstrate all the features shown in this video. Greynote. Revolutionizing the learning journey.